Mounting the jig to a bench top or a piece of plywood will make the jig easier to use. So I've snapped it together to get a quick measurement, and 30 by 12 looks like a good size for the plywood base. I'll attach the base with the 1¼ inch Kreg screws. On either side of the jig we have a little storage, and in here we have the screw length guide. I'm going to need that. Over here we have a screw length chart that can go right there, the driver, the drill bit, and the stop collar. This is how to adjust for the thickness of the wood. I'm set at 3/4 inch. You can raise it all the way up to 1.5 inches, which would be for a 2x4, but for today's purpose we'll set it at 3/4 inch. To adjust for the length of the screw, I'll use the screw length guide, and I'm setting up for 1, 1¼ inch, and 1.5 inch screws. I'll drop the drill bit into the jig and into that space, then place the collar on the drill bit and tighten it up. To adjust the clamp for the thickness of the board, pull the handle down, put the board in place. This is a 3/4 inch board. Push the clamp against the board and hold pressure against the back of the clamp. Lift up the handle until you hear it ratchet twice. And that's it. For thicker material, press this button and open up the clamp. Let's imagine this is a 2x4. 3/4 and 3/4 measure 1.5 inches, the same thickness as a 2x4. Push the handle down, put the wood in place, push the clamp against the board, and pick up the handle until you hear it ratchet twice. There is a dust port right here that I don't have hooked up at the moment, but other than that, that's about all there is to it. So let's go ahead and test it out. And now to join the boards together and make the pocket hole joint, I'll use the Automax clamp that was provided, 1¼ inch screws, well, that's about all there is to it, and I hope you found this video helpful. I will be using this Kreg jig for my next furniture build, a classic cherry entrance table, the one that I'm working on right here. So if you need a Kreg jig, I'll have a link to this one in the description below. And if you purchase it through my Acme tool store, that helps to support the show. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Before you start your next project, click on the link in the description below for my professional woodworking plans, and follow me on Instagram to see what I'm working on today.